Hello friends, in today's video we're going to talk about a very unique and profitable segment. Yes, it is the fruit powder manufacturing industry. And in India, this business can be easily started by obtaining an FSSAI license from home. The savings are easy and most importantly, market demand is seen in various sectors throughout the year. According to a report, the global fruit powder market is a significant and growing sector. It is expected to reach $45 billion by the early 2030s. Fruit powder is commonly used in many sectors such as food industries, mainly baby food manufacturing, beverage industry, bakery industry, cosmetic brands, health supplements and Ayurvedic products. Due to this, it is gaining high demand from health-conscious consumers and food manufacturers. So if you're looking for a long-term, sustainable and highly profitable small manufacturing business, come, let's take a look at the top 10 fruit powder manufacturing businesses ideas that you can start from home. Friends, before that, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. So come on, let's watch. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1 is banana powder production. Banana powder is the first of many powders. It is very versatile as a product and used in bakery products, smoothies, baby foods, protein shakes, pancakes and instant mixes. And India is the number 1 producer of bananas. So you have the raw materials cheap and easily available. The banana powder market is growing steadily as people prefer chemical-free thickeners and natural flavor enhancers. So you can make it at home using a dryer and grinder and then sell it to baby food brands and health supplement manufacturers. Number 2 is lemon powder production. Lemon flavor is very popular in India and therefore its market is strong and expanding. Yes, lemon powder is rich in essential vitamins and minerals and is widely used in food processing, instant lemon tea, soup mixes, chaat masala, detox drinks, cleaning products and herbal medicines. Therefore, you can start a lemon powder manufacturing business and operate it on a continuous basis by selling to instant beverage manufacturers and bulk buyers. Third is papaya powder production. Papaya powder is widely used in digestive health products, enzyme supplements, skincare products, face packs, herbal medicines and detoxifying beverages. Furthermore, because the enzyme papain in papaya improves digestion, pharmaceutical and Ayurvedic companies are major buyers of this powder. Moreover, with people increasingly turning to natural skincare products and the market for papaya powder growing rapidly in the beauty industry, there is an excellent opportunity to earn significant profits in this papaya powder manufacturing business. Next is pineapple powder production. Pineapple powder is used in fruit juices, instant drinks, ice creams, bakery products, fruit teas, chocolates and flavored yogurts. Furthermore, the market for fruit juice-based beverages in India is growing rapidly, with pineapple being a key flavor. Export companies also produce pineapple powder in large quantities due to its long shelf life. Therefore, you can produce this pineapple powder and then continuously sell it in bulk to hotels, coffee shops, confectionery companies and ice cream manufacturers. Fifth is orange peel powder production. Orange peel powder is an eco-friendly ingredient used in the beauty industry and it is incorporated into face packs, scrubs, soaps, uppans, shampoos and hair masks. Furthermore, this orange peel powder is also used as a health drink mix and Ayurvedic medicine. Moreover, the raw materials for this powder are available for free or at a very low cost. So you can easily prepare it at home and then readily sell it to natural cosmetic brands and vendors of handmade products. Number 6. Mango powder production. Mango powder is also known as amsoor powder. It is an essential ingredient in Indian kitchens and yes, it is commonly used in chutneys, curries, pickles, ready-to-eat dishes, spice mixes and tiffin products. Not only that, the spice industry in India is a huge market worth billions of rupees. And this mango powder is a strong selling point in it. Also, you get green mangoes cheaply during the summer. So you can prepare it at home and then sell it in powdered form to hotels, tiffin services, street food vendors and spice brands throughout the year. Many vendors buy it in bulk so that the demand remains steady. Next is apple powder production. Apple powder is primarily used in the production of baby foods and is also frequently used in cereal mixes, health food products, yogurt flavorings, smoothies, and bakery fillings. Since it belongs to the high-quality fruit powder category, it is priced higher. The baby food market in India is growing rapidly, so you can easily start this apple powder manufacturing business from home and sell it. Also, the strong export demand makes this a highly profitable option for small-scale manufacturers. Number 8 is blueberry powder production. Blueberry powder is a superfood product that is primarily used in antioxidant supplements, immunity boosting products, herbal medicines, smoothie mixes, breakfast cereals, and healthcare products. The global superfood market is growing rapidly, and blueberry powder is attracting customers in the premium segment. Furthermore, health-conscious consumers and supplement brands are its main buyer base, making it a product with low competition and exceptional profitability. Number 9 is pomegranate powder production. Pomegranate or pomegranate powder is used in health drinks, skincare products, antioxidant supplements, flavored milk, and especially in pharmaceutical products. Pomegranate is a high-value fruit and its powder is in high demand globally, leading to significant sales in the export market. Due to the benefits it offers for blood circulation and skin, health product manufacturing companies maintain a consistent demand for it. Because of its high price, the profit margin is also high. Number 10 is mixed fruit powder production. Mixed fruit powder is used in smoothies, instant beverage mixes, cake premixes, baby food, energy powders, ice cream, and instant foods. Mixed fruit powder is a premium product offered by food companies with customized flavors. This market is growing rapidly as consumers prefer a variety of fruit flavors. Therefore, you have high profit margins in producing mixed fruit powder from home. So friends, these are the top 10 fruit powder manufacturing business ideas that you can easily start from home. The market demand for all these powders is consistent, and their applications are widespread in the food, beverage, cosmetics, skincare, health supplement, and Ayurvedic industries. Therefore, you can expect to receive orders throughout the year. If you would like me to create a complete guide for this business in detail, let me know in the comments. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.